We are going to start with the general properties of nitrogen. Nitrogen is an atom in the periodic table. It has a name, as the name implies, called nitrogen. It has a symbol of N and has an atomic number of 7. Nitrogen has 2 S shells and 1 P shell. The first shell has 2 electrons, the second shell has 2 electrons, while the third shell has 3 electrons, which is the atomic shells of it. Nitrogen generally is found in group 15 of periodic table, which is the first atoms found in the group. It has 3 electrons in the outermost shells. They are categorized as non-mental. It is found in group 15 in the period 2 and then block P. It has a standard atomic weight of 14.0067. The histories of discovery. Nitrogen was discovered by Daniel Rutherford in 1772, but as the date of discovery was not named, it is later named by John Anthony Chaptal in 1790. It has a physical property, a boiling point of 77.36 Kelvin. When converted to degrees Celsius, it's going to give us 19.579 degrees Celsius. It has a critical point 126.19 Kelvin. It has the densities of 0 degree, 101.326 Kelvin Pascal. Heat of fusion 0.72 kilojoule per mole. Heat of vaporization 5.56 kilojoule per mole. Liquid density at boiling point of 0.808 gram per centimeter. It has a melting point of 63.15 Kelvin. Molar heat capacity 29.124 joule per mole. Phase is in gaseous state. A triple point 63.1526 Kelvin. The atomic property are equivalent radius of 71. Electronegativity 3.04 Paulinsky. Ionization energy. First ionization energy is 1402.3 kilojoule per mole. Oxidation state has 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, -1, -2, -3. Strongly acidic oxide. A van der Waals radius of 155 pm. Miscellaneous, that's simply others component, others, CAS registry number 7727. 7. Crystal structure is hexagonal. Magnetic ordering, diamagnetic. Speed of sound, gas at 27 degrees Celsius. Thermal conductivity 25.85. 83 Electron shares of nitrogen. That's 25. As I explained earlier, it has the first shares. It has 2 electrons in the outermost shares. Hexagonal structure. It appears here. Colorless gas, a liquid or solid. Liquid nitrogen. Spectral lines of nitrogen. More stable isotopes. It has 3 isotopes. The natural abundance of it is synthetic. The first, which has 13, is synthetic. They produce it synthetically, and it has a half-life of 9.965 minutes. The decay mode is epsilon, has a decay energies of 2.220. The 14 nitrogen has abundance of 99.634% and is stable with 7 neutron. The second, the last, that is 15, the nitrogen has 0.366% and is stable with 8 neutron. Some other miscellaneous things you need to look at. Have to look at the alpha decay, minus beta emissions, beta plus and beta plus double decay. Have electron capture, have IT internal convection, SU spontaneous fissions, positions emissions, double beta decay, gamma ray, delay nuclear radiations, and synthetic radioisotope, and the trace of radioisotope, etc. So we're going to talk.